Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. In this video, I am going to show the complete recipe of puliyogare. First, I am going to prepare the puliyogare powder. For that, first heat a pan. Into this, I am going to add a cup of chana dal and dry roast it on medium flame. Dry roast until chana dal turns slightly reddish. Now I am going to transfer roasted chana dal to a plate. Now I am going to add a cup of urad dal to the same pan and dry roast them on medium flame. Dry roast the urad dal until change its color slightly brownish. It's done. Now I am going to transfer this roasted urad dal to the plate. Next, I am going to add 2 cups of coriander seeds into the pan. Dry roast it for a while on medium heat. See, coriander seeds are also roasted. Now transfer it to the plate. Here I am adding a cup of sesame seeds to the pan and dry roast it on low flame. Dry roast the sesame seeds until they start crackle. See, sesame seeds are well roasted. It gets transferred to the plate. Now I am going to add in a cup of cumin seeds and dry roast it for a while on low flame. Cumin seeds are well roasted. Now it is transferred to the plate. Now I have taken a quarter cup of black pepper and add it into the pan. Then dry roast it for a few seconds on low flame. Now it's done. Transfer dry roasted black pepper to the plate. And now into this I am also going to add 1½ teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Let's roast it as well on low flame. Fenugreek seeds are well roasted. Now remove it from the pan. Then I am going to add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it roast for a few seconds on low flame. Once mustard starts splutter, immediately transfer it to a plate. Next, let's add in a cup of curry leaves. Let it to roast on medium heat. Roast this properly until it turns crisp. It nicely roasted. Now I am going to transfer it to a plate. Please friends, please support me by subscribing my channel Sai Recipes. Now I put all well roasted ingredients in a plate together to get cool. In this I am going to add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and also a teaspoon of salt. Now this plate contains all the ingredients needed to make puliyogare powder. 2 cups of coriander seeds, 1 cup of sesame seeds, 1 cup of chana dal, a quarter cup of black pepper, 1 cup of cumin seeds, 1 cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1½ teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I mix all the ingredients well. Make sure all the ingredients are cooled completely. Now I am going to make powder from it. You can see here puliyogare powder is ready. Next I am going to prepare puliyogare paste or puliyogare gojju using this powder that I have just prepared. For that I am taking about 2 cups of clean tamarind in a bowl. Adding 6 cups of hot water to it. Then I am going to soak it for half an hour. Meanwhile, I am going to dry roast dry coconut powder. For that, heat a pan and add 2 cups of dry coconut powder to it. Dry roast it for a while on medium to low flame. Then remove it from the heat and keep aside. Here I have taken tamarind soaked bowl. Tamarind become nice and soft. Now I am going to squeeze the tamarind to get tamarind puree or tamarind extract. I added 2 more cups of cold water to adjust the consistency of the tamarind extract. 2 cups of tamarind requires 8 cups of water. Next, I am going to cook tamarind extract. For that, heat a pan and I slowly add the tamarind extract to the pan. Then cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. See the consistency of the tamarind extract. At this stage, I am going to add 2 cups of jaggery powder and half a cup of red chilli powder. Then mix it well and let it cook for another 3-4 minutes. I used the same cup or a single cup to measure the ingredients. Tamarind extract has thickened lightly. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a 1/4 cup of salt and a cup of cooking oil. Mix it well and then again let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Please friends, please support me by subscribing my channel Sai Recipes. Now curry has thickened well. At this stage, add 2 cups of dry roasted dry coconut powder. Mix well and let it cook for about 2 minutes. After cooking for 2 minutes, see the consistency of the curry. At this stage, I am going to add 2 cups of puliyogare powder. Then mix it well and cook it for 1 more minute. It's done. Curry has thickened perfectly. Now switch off the stove. Next step is prepare tempering for this. For making that, heat a pan and add a cup of oil to it. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard splutter, add a 1/4 cup of chana dal. Fry them for a while. Then add half a cup of peanuts and a 1/4 cup of urad dal. Just fry them together. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder. Saute it. Then add few curry leaves, about a cup of. Saute it for a while. Then add dry red chilli pieces. For that, I have taken 4 to 5 dry red chillies. Now add half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Just fry all the ingredients together. It's done. I fried everything well. Next, I am going to add these fried ingredients to the just prepared puliyogare paste or puliyogare gojju. And then mix it nicely. Store the puliyogare paste in a dry and warm place in an airtight container for longer shelf life, or store it in the fridge to extend its shelf life. Next, I am going to prepare puliyogare rice. For that, here I have taken dry and moist free cooked rice. Add 1½ teaspoon of prepared puliyogare paste to it. Mix well until the rice is well combined with gojju or paste. See, our sweet, sour, spicy puliyogare rice is ready.